On behalf of VMware and CARAHCAST, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused on VMware Horizon renewals. We are lucky enough to have Nick Wager, our pre-sales system engineer, as he discusses everything you need to know about VMware Horizon.
Hi, Nick.
Hi, Natalie.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. Happy to be here.
Me too. You want to do a little introduction?
Sure. So my name's Nick Wager. I'm the VMware pre-sales engineer over here at CARAHCAST. I specialize in all things end user computing and security for folks in pretty much all verticals around the country. So, the goal here today is to walk through Horizon, some of the latest news, cool features, and changes that might have happened to it, especially over the last several years, because VDI in particular has seen a huge uptick in popularity. More and more folks have been looking to it as the need for remote and hybrid work solutions has popped up. So I'm really excited to walk through it with you and our audience here today.
Yeah, we're so excited to have you here. We already said before I came in that you're so knowledgeable and we're ready to hear it all.
Well, hopefully I can deliver on that resounding endorsement there.
I have full faith in you. You ready to jump in?
Let's do it.
Well, I first wanted to ask you about the benefits of switching to subscription.
Sure. So there's been a whole lot of changes in the VDI world when it comes to VMware. A couple years ago, VMware decided to make the move and take the plunge and start moving folks away from the more traditional legacy perpetual licensing model and, kind of in preparation, customers and of all sorts embracing the public cloud in general and hybrid cloud models. The new Horizon licensing models are really designed to take advantage of that. More and more of the customers I talk to on a day-to-day basis are sick and tired of dealing with their own data centers, buying the hardware, hooking it up, updating the firmware, being responsible for redundant power supplies and internet connections and patches and all that good stuff. And a lot of these issues, while not being able to be eliminated, can at least be minimized by embracing some of these more modern subscription hybrid cloud type models with Horizon. And that's what we've seen as we move away from the Horizon Perpetual model towards, say, Horizon Enterprise Plus or Horizon Standard Plus, and most especially in the Horizon Universal world, which allows you to truly run your virtual desktops wherever you want. For folks who want to start embracing multiple public clouds, or who just want to dip their toes in the water and try out with a single public cloud, or you just want to prepare for 4 or 5 months down the road when that becomes a more viable option for you, more and more customers are turning to Horizon Universal, and Horizon Enterprise Plus is a way to run their virtual desktops.
What I'm hearing is you want to make life easier with Horizon, and I'm very happy to hear that.
That's really the goal.